Hey everybody, welcome back to the Freedom Motivator channel. Thanks for coming back today. Hey, I've got something really good for you today. I'm going to give you 4 places online where you can get a job in case you're needing some money and you're out of a job and you're broke and you need some money. You can get a job today right online working from home and have an income coming in. Alrighty, so stay tuned. We'll be right back in just a moment. Thanks. Hey everybody, welcome back to Freedom Motivator channel. I've got 4 places for you today. I'm going to show you where you can get a job working from home online if you need some extra money. Alright, let's get right to it here. One of the places, as you can see here, is called iWriter.com. iWriter. They're a company that you can get involved with who will pay you anywhere from upwards of $20 an hour working with them, and it can be a full-time job. Probably starts out part-time to begin with until you get better. But if you have any kind of a experience writing like freelance writing or writing any kind of text or whatever, just any kind of stories or whatever, doesn't matter. As you can see right here, you can build your own client base up, and you can earn up to $80 per 500 words once you promote yourself up through the ranks. Of course, it's like anywhere else. You start low and you work your way up through the ranks as you get better, and your writing gets better or whatnot, or so on and so forth. You can write as much or as little as you'll want each day. And here's one that's really good. You can choose your own topics that best match your background or what you love to do. If you, for example, if you like to write for sports, you know, you're a big, like me, a big football fan, and you like to write sports articles and things like that, you can do that. You can do any kind of background or any kind of passion that you have. You can write articles and write for them, and they'll pay you for it. So that's a good thing there. No doubt that's a good company to get involved with. That's iWriter.com. You can get involved with them. And you can sign up for that right today. They're looking for people right now. So, yep, that's one of the ones you can get involved with right there. It's a really good company. Alright, so the next company I wanted to show you about is called Sitel, the Sitel Group. And you can get involved with them, and see, they have careers here. You can apply, and if you're ready to make a difference in your life and in the lives of others, you can get a job with this company here. They do sort of what, like tech support. If you're good with computers and internet and devices, particularly like Windows or Macintosh or tablets or phones or whatever, if you're good with those and with tech support on that, you can get a job with this company, making a difference for their clients and their companies that they're involved with. So that's another good company there that you can get involved with and make a difference there. So that's one of the ones I wanted to show you also. Another one is called MikeMunter.com. They do SEO for companies. If you're into like search engine optimization and that kind of thing, you can get involved with them and help them, and so on and so forth. Work with them and make good money with them also. So you know, a lot of people need search engine optimization. I mean, there's a lot of businesses out there. Most, I would say, probably 90-some% of businesses are online today, and they need this. They need people that know search engine optimization and that kind of thing. So you could certainly help them with that if you have a passion for that. Maybe they need help with, like, for something like Facebook ads or something like that. You could help them with their Facebook ads and how to target their market for them, and so on and so forth, and even SEO for them in certain things. Maybe even with Google ads too. You can do SEO through Google ads for probably this company's clients as well too, and make good money doing it. That's another company that you can get involved with. They're a marketing firm, internet marketing firm here it says, and so that's one of the things there. A good company to get involved with there too. So I've showed you so far 3 places. Let's go to the 4th one here, which you probably already know about. Most people know about this place. It's Fiverr.com. Fiverr, you of course can get a job with them actually as a freelancer, and where you hire out your services. I mean, you know, if you're into graphic and design, there's a lot of graphic and design is in big demand today. You can get jobs doing that. People will come in here and hire you to do these things, and I've even seen where people on here have gotten involved with Fiverr and as a part-time thing, and it ended up becoming full-time because they like it so well. They're making such good money. And with Fiverr, it's like, you know, you build your thing up here with Fiverr. Fiverr's done on a review basis. As you do work for people, they can leave reviews about your service. If it's good, bad, whatnot, indifferent, or whatever, you can build your reviews up and get your star. They do a star rating, and your star rating goes up, then so does your work. More people will hire you because they see that you're good and you're referenced, referred by other people to do this because of your reviews. I mean, they're just a matter of building up your client base, because you're good at what you do. So I mean, there's lots of things involved here, like graphic and design here. This is big demand here. You can do all kinds of things: logo design, Photoshop editing if you're good with Photoshop. You can get a job here selling your services and making graphics for people or whatnot, or gifts, moving pictures or whatever, T-shirts, designs, all kinds of things here that you can get involved in. And there's digital marketing. Here's SEO again, if you like SEO. Social media marketing, influencer marketing, content marketing, domain research, email marketing, mobile advertising, all kinds of things. Web traffic analytics, that's Google, doing Google Analytics and doing market research for people and writing ads or whatever, Google ads for people if you like that kind of thing. Facebook ads, they do those too. And web traffic, if you're good at driving traffic to people's websites, they'll hire you to do that and get traffic to their businesses and help them get leads and sales and so on and so forth. If you're into, like, again, here's like what I showed you with iWriter. If you're into like freelancing and writing, you can get into writing and translation here with Fiverr. All kinds of things here: resumes and cover letters, proofreading, translation, cover writing, business copywriting, research and summaries, legal writing. If you like legal, law, that kind of thing, you can do that here too. Transcription and press releases. People need all kinds of things here to help their business, and a lot of times the reason they do is because they don't have time to do it themselves. They need to hire you to do that for them. If you have the skills and the knowledge and how to do that, they'll hire you to do that, and you can make good money doing it. As your skills get better and your reviews get higher, your marks go up, and you can charge more money and make better money doing this too. There's video and animation, there's music and audio, programming and tech. If you're into like I was showing you with Sitel, they're a technical support company. You can get a job with them, or you can come here and use your services here for people that need tech support on different applications, anything to do with computers and tablets, phones, you just name it, any device. If you're good with it, you can certainly get a job here doing this. And businesses, things too, and fun and lifestyle. There's all kinds of greeting cards that you can do, make viral videos, get into astrology, spiritual healing, genealogy, gaming. If you're into gaming, I know most people are. There's a lot of people into gaming. You can get in offer your services here to help people with gaming, maybe server-side settings or server-side programming or something for their gaming that they may need help with. Who knows? Until you get involved with it and see. So, folks, that's about it. That's some four places right there that I wanted to turn you on to today, that you can make money and get a job and make money right now from home. That's iWriter, Sitel, MikeMunter.com, internet marketing firm, and then Fiverr. So there you have it. I just wanted to do a quick video to give you these things here. It'll help you out, and this will give you some good value here where you can help. It'll help your life out. You can get involved in these and get yourself an income if you need money. Okay, so thanks a lot for coming to the Freedom Motivator channel. We appreciate you coming. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there at the bottom right. Click like if you like the video. Even click it down if you don't like it. It doesn't matter either way. And don't forget to comment and come back and see us soon. Also, and don't forget to click my links. I'll have the links for these businesses down in the description below. And I have the link also there for my #1 recommended online business that you can get involved with also. It's only $30 to join, and you get an incredible amount of education on how to do online marketing. It's just an incredible thing to get involved with. So thanks a lot. Thanks for coming back. We'll see you again next time, okay? All right, bye-bye now. Appreciate you.